In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a regular WordPress field to Gutenberg. So let's say you update your website yourself and you go to the home page or any other page, you're gonna see something like that. Basically, it's like the existing WordPress field in Gutenberg. But if you are planning to use Gutenberg and WordPress 5, you need to convert to the blocks. It's a very easy operation. You just need to click here and click convert to blocks. However, there is a shortcode test, I did it, and this one is a little piece of HTML code. So let's see how it renders. So you go there, you click convert to blocks. It will create the header, H1. It will create all the those paragraphs. It will create a block for shortcode, but for the simple HTML code, it will do just like that. It will use an HTML block, which is fine. It will work. But if you want to have something like that, you'll need to basically take that and just place it in a regular box. So of course this one have maybe a class on a ID, so maybe it will not the same. So in this case the HTML is very short, but sometimes it's more complicated, and maybe it's just because you want two columns. So if you want you need to redo it from scratch, creating two columns and then copy and paste there and there. Sometimes when you have your HTML and you want to convert to just regular, you can't, it doesn't work. You can view a preview, but basically this is just a box for HTML. Also, if you notice, let's just delete that. See, sometimes it's hard to grab things. Notice, as I explained in the other tutorial, this area is very narrow, so you can update and make it larger with this plugin called Cadence Block. And also, if you really don't like the Gutenberg block, that sometimes is a little buggy, and you really don't like this method, you can disable it uploading this disable Gutenberg plugin. And also in Gutenberg you also have the option to have a field like this. So if you click a new box and you put the classic editor, you can still have your WordPress old classics without disabling it. So that's all the option for this little tutorial. See you next time. Bye.